how to put the NGO link on the Facebook post. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put the NGO link on a Facebook post. The first thing you need to do is open up the NGO app on your phone. When you get into the NGO app, simply copy link from here. After that, it will give you a tutorial on how you can use their link on your Instagram or Facebook story. Now, let's use the same steps. So, simply tap to share the template on Instagram. Now, the NGO link will be displayed on your Instagram story. Then, you need to tap on the sticker icon from the top bar. After that, choose the link option from here. Once you paste that link, tap on Done from the top right corner. Then, adjust the link on the template of NGL. Now, hit the arrow to share your story. Then, you need to tap on the Share button. It will show you the option to share the same story on Facebook. After that, choose to share it on your Facebook story as well. Now, select your account and tap to continue. Tap to finish adding, and hit the Done button. Then, tap to share stories on both Facebook and Instagram. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.